Hello students, myself Kuljinder Singh. Today we will discuss topic polynomials. Now, polynomials is a combination of poly plus nomial. Poly plus nomials. Here poly means many, nomial means terms. Now, what is a term? Term is a combination of variable and constants in which power of variable must be whole number. Students, it is an important line. Power of variable must be whole number. Now question arises, what is variable? Variable whose value can be changed. For example, height of students, price of petrol, price of gold. All these are example of variables. Remember students, x, y, z are not a variable. These are just a symbol of denoting variable. Now some example of polynomials. X square plus 5. Here power of x is 2 and here power of x is 0. Because we can write x square plus 5 into x raised to power 0. 2 and 0 belongs to whole number, so it is a polynomial. Again, x raised to power 100 plus 3x. It is also example of polynomial because here power of x is 100 and power of x is 1. Now 100 and 1 also belongs to whole number, so it is a polynomial. But x plus 1 by x is not a polynomial, as we can write x plus x raised to power minus 1. Here power is 1 and here power is minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Now degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. Now here x square plus 5 is a polynomial. Here highest power is 2, therefore degree of polynomial is 2. Again, x raised to power 100 plus 3x is a polynomial. Here degree of polynomial is 100. Now types of polynomial. First, constant polynomial whose degree is 0. If degree is 0, if degree is 0, then it is a constant polynomial. Second, if degree is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. Third, if degree is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Zero of polynomial. Let Px be any polynomial. If for any a belongs to real number such that p of a is equal to 0, then x is equal to a is 0 of px. For example, let px is equal to x minus 3. Now p of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Hence, x is equal to 3 is 0 of px. Another example, let px is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6 is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now put x is equal to 2, means p of 2. 2 raised to power 2. 4 minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 4 minus 5 into 2, 10 plus 6. Final answer 0. Clearly x is equal to 2 is 0 of px. Now we will learn how to find 0 of quadratic polynomial. Let's start with example. Let x square minus 5x plus 6. Clearly it is a quadratic polynomial. We have to find 0 of this quadratic polynomial. Now coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and coefficient of x is minus 5, but we will choose absolute value, that is 5. Now firstly we will make factor of 6. We can write 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Now we will choose those factors of 6 whose sum is 5, because product is positive 6. So we will choose those factors of 6 whose sum is 5. Clearly 2 and 3, sum of 2 and 3 is 5. We can write 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Replace 5 is equal to 2 plus 3 in first. We get x square minus 2 plus 3 into x plus 6. X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. Here x is common, x minus 2. Here minus 3 is common. We get x minus 2. Now from these x minus 2 is common and x minus 3. We get x minus 3. Therefore x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3. Therefore 0 of polynomial are x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. Now let's second example. X square minus x minus 6. Clearly it is a quadratic polynomial. Now coefficient of x square is 1 and constant term is minus 6. Then product is minus 6. Here product is negative and coefficient of x is minus 1, but we will choose absolute value means positive value. Positive value is 1. Now again we can write 6. 1 into 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Now we will choose those factors whose subtraction is 1. Here product is negative, so we will choose those factors whose subtraction is 1. We can write 1 is equal to 3 minus 2. Replace here 1 as 3 minus 2. We get x square minus 3 minus 2 into x minus 6. X square minus 3x minus minus plus 2x minus 6. Here common is x minus 3 plus here common is 2. We get x minus 3. From these x minus 3 is common. We get x plus 2. Therefore 0 of quadratic polynomial are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2.